Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we have a Ducati Diavel carbon here, Maisto Assembly line 1:12 scale motorcycle. I bought this on Winners for cheap $15. So it's the time of the year, usually this time of the year Winners is releasing Maisto Assembly line products on 1:12 Infiniti's motorcycle and then 1:24 on cars. So let's open this bad boy. As you can see, this is Ducati Diavel 2011, and I already have these in 1:18, but I figured I like to buy a bigger one so I can show you guys how to assemble it. So the box is like book type. It's nice. I can show you the pieces inside, and back of this picture of the motorcycle itself. No need glues. Skill level is 2. Easy to assemble. So let's open it. I have a few videos assembling these kind of motorcycle. I think I have 2. A Yamaha R6 or R1 I guess, and BMW motard. So instruction, usually we don't look at this instruction, but for this one we might need it. Screwdriver is already included, but we're gonna use the big one. So parts, there are tires, rear tires, front tires, the exhaust, seat, I don't know what this is, license plate holder, side fairings, another side fairings, handlebars, time cover which is metal, nice with carbon, fiber accent, Ducati decals, front suspension, upper part of the motorcycle with Ducati decal on it, headlight, engine, other side of the engine, the chassis itself, the only thing about these plastic things is it's so hard to remove. So fender and chain, disc brake, probably the front, disc brake back, front fender, nice, and some hardwares and stuff like side mirrors, springs, suspension, and some screws. So this is not hard to build at all. Anyone can do it. Just if you're too young, maybe you need adult supervision, but all in all you can do it by yourself. So what we're gonna do first is this one. We're gonna put this one to this one like together, I guess. So I need to put this one first. These goes here. Like that. And the next one is this one. Like that. And you're gonna need a screw. There are 2 screws that goes here. Oh, maybe that's why I need this one. There's a screw that goes there. Screw it. Screw that. Just kidding. Not too tight. The next one is this. Not too tight. So the next step is we're gonna put this one. Which one's next? Oh, this one and this one together. Like that. Yeah, make sure it's not tight. The next one will be. Oh. Okay, I forgot that one. I need to put that one inside. Huh. Jeez. Not so hard to remove. See, sometimes you need to follow the instruction. Here, like that. I'm gonna put it snap. Like that. Yeah. So yeah, just like that. And then we're gonna put this one here like that. We're gonna put this spring first like that, and then we're gonna connect this one like that. So let's make sure everything is here first before we tighten this one, because yeah, this is so hard to remove when it's already there. Make sure the suspension is working like that. Make sure everything is tight. So this part is done. What we're gonna do next is put this one here, just like that, I guess. Yeah, like that. After that, we're gonna put this one. We're gonna put this one inside like that, I guess. And then we're gonna use the, which one is that? 13 M4. M4 is the shortest. Okay, so this is the M4. So we're gonna put this one here and here. Oh, I guess we need to screw this one first. Screw that. There you are. And then after that, we're gonna put M6, so the longest one, here. Make sure it's all lined up properly before you insert the thing. Where's that thing? There. Okay, now we can tighten it. But now the suspension is not working. Anyway, after that, we're gonna put the this one here, like that. Yep. After that, we're gonna put this one here. Just like that, I guess. That one goes inside. Okay. Make sure everything is snap tight. Yeah. The next one will be the suspension, front suspension. So this part right here goes, this one goes here. Okay, now this is the hard part, because this one need to go that way. This way or that way? I guess so, that way. Oh, this way. Interesting. Okay, maybe this way, I guess. Or this way. Yeah, so you're supposed to go this way, like that. And you need to put the screw there. So small. Hold on. Need to set it up properly so it doesn't go. Yeah. Just tighten it. No need to over tight anything, just you can feel it that it's already tight. Do not over tight, otherwise you're gonna break the plastic. Yep. So the next one will be the headlight. Oh no! See, that's what I'm talking about. We forgot this one. Hey, we forgot the headlight. Put this one inside, just like that. Then we're gonna put the screw. Make sure again, don't over tight anything, just enough to hold the screw. There you are. We need to push a little bit more. After that, we gotta put fairings. The fairing goes here. The other fairing goes here. Actually, this is fun. There you are. The next one will be the fender. The fender goes here. Oops. Got it. The fender goes here. The other fender goes on the other side. It's kind of, maybe because I'm not in my table, maybe that's why I'm having a hard time, but because my wife is working there, that's why I go here in our bedroom. Not a best idea, not a good spot to do assembly like these. Otherwise, if you lose a part, so you need to go under the bed, look for it, and go on. So the next one will be We're gonna put this one here. We're gonna put the other one there. And we're gonna put this one here. So we're done with these. As you can see, guys, nice 1:12 model. And we're gonna put the side mirror here, side mirror on the other side, and that's it. We're done. It's actually not pretty bad. That's it. The attention to details on this 1:12 motorcycle is actually pretty good. I have a few pieces on 1:12 scale, and all I can say is like I'm starting to like it. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, please share it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you subscribe already, thank you so much. See you guys next time. Bye.